Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is 17M244A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Bridgestone dueler tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, a rear backup camera, and this CX-5 is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There's plenty of storage room here in the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.